Welcome to IJMEMS, the International Journal of Mathematical, Engineering and Management Sciences. This video discusses Issue 3 of Volume 3, 2018. Let us discuss in brief the published articles of issue number 3. The first article of this issue is entitled as A Comparison of Startup Demonstration Test Procedures Based on a Combinatorial Approach. The article is authored by Amos Guerra. In this article, a comparative study is presented of various startup demonstration procedures based on a combinatorial approach, the expected number of required tests, and the probability of accepting the tested unit are derived using a set of auxiliary functions. The next article is entitled as Karnaugh Map Utility in Medical Studies, the Case of Fetal Malnutrition. The article is authored by Rufaida Ali Rushdi and Ali Mohammad Rushdi. This article advocates and demonstrates the utility of the Karnaugh map as a pictorial manual tool of Boolean algebra in the exploration of medical problems as exemplified by the problem of fetal malnutrition. The article briefly introduces the problem and specifies 4 tests used frequently. The next article is entitled as Inventory Policies for Price-Sensitive Stock-Dependent Demand and Quantity Discounts. The article is authored by Neeta Shah and Monica Naik. This article proposes a model based on an inventory problem including selling price of products and stock-dependent market demand rate, holding cost based on storage time, and purchasing cost is influenced by order size by offering all units quantity discounts. The next article is entitled as SIL Implementation on Safety Functions in Mass Transit System. The article is authored by James Lee. This article is written to elaborate the anomalies of safety integrity level interpretation among various standards in order for safety engineers to obtain a more detailed view on the concept of SIL over these standards. The next article is entitled as Assessment of Geospatial Approaches Used for Classification of Crops. The article is authored by Suraj Kumar Singh et al. This article presents the technique for choice of satellite information, utilization of appropriate strategy for arrangement, and checking the accuracy. The article gives a general survey of the work done in the vital zones. The next article is entitled as An Approach for Solving Fuzzy Multi-Objective Linear Fractional Programming Problems. The article is authored by Farhana Akon Premi. In this article, an attempt has been taken to develop a method for solving fuzzy multi-objective linear fractional programming problem. 3 numerical examples are illustrated, and also for each example, a comparison is drawn between the proposed method and the respected existing methods. The next article is entitled as Velocity and Acceleration of Navigation IC Satellites Using Broadcast Ephemeris. The article is authored by Vidyut Gogoi et al. The article describes a methodology to derive velocity and acceleration of NAVIC satellites from the broadcast ephemeris. A 4th-order central differencing formula is used to derive NAVIC satellites' Earth-centered, Earth-fixed velocity from the positions that are calculated using the standard IRNSS SIS ICD algorithm. The proposed methodology is quite simpler and straightforward than the conventional rotation matrix method. The last article of this issue is entitled as Meta-Heuristic Approach of Multi-Objective Optimization During EDM Process. The article is authored by Gautam Kumar Bose and Preetam Pain. In this article, a die-sinking electric discharge machining is applied to machining mild steel in order to measure the different multi-objective results like material removal rate and overcut. This objective is accomplished by using the control parameters like a pulse on time, duty factor, gap current, and spark gap employing copper tool with lateral flushing. For more details, kindly download the articles from the IJMEMS websites.